This simple orange cake will make your whole kitchen smell like an orange grove. Start by combining all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, and salt in a medium-sized bowl. Once that's whisked together, set it aside while you work on the wet ingredients. Add sugar to a large bowl, then pour in orange juice. Freshly squeezed is ideal, but store-bought is okay. Mix together with an electric mixer until the sugar has dissolved slightly, then add softened unsalted butter and mix again until light and fluffy. Now to punch up the flavor, add vanilla, orange zest, and a little sour cream, which adds a nice tang and also helps keep the cake moist. Once that's well mixed, you can start adding your eggs one at a time with the mixer still running, then pour in more orange juice and mix. You want to make sure it all gets well whipped to help increase the fluffiness of the finished product. Now you can gradually incorporate the flour mixture into the bowl. Mix until it is just combined, then use a rubber spatula to scrape down the sides and give the batter one last mix. Transfer the batter to a greased bundt pan and spread it out evenly. Put your cake in a 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. While it bakes, prepare a simple orange syrup by heating up orange juice and sugar over medium-low heat until the sugar has completely dissolved. Allow your cake to cool slightly before removing from the pan and brushing the orange syrup all over. You could serve it now, but if you want to give it a little pizzazz, wait for your cake to cool completely, then drizzle the top with a cream cheese glaze, which is just a combination of cream cheese, powdered sugar, and heavy cream. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes.